Melissa, President Biden holding a press conference today speaking with vindication about the midterm election results that are in so far. He talked about his forthcoming meeting with China's President Xi at the G20. He also talked about the continuation of aid to Ukraine. But it was his comments about the international dealings of Elon Musk in his acquisition of Twitter that made these newsworthy remarks.
I think that Elon Musk's cooperation and/or technical relationships with other countries is worthy of being looked at.
Specifically about the large shareholding from the Saudi government and whether there should be a security review of the acquisition or of Musk himself. And he spoke, as you heard, rather obliquely about that possibility, but suggesting there should be one. It's notable, Melissa, because when the White House has addressed these issues before, they have said any reports of a possible national security review of this deal are untrue. There is not one happening. And when there was a follow-up question about exactly what venue such a review would take place in, he didn't elaborate much more, but certainly it is a departure from what the White House has said thus far. Melissa?
All right, Kayla, thank you. Kayla Tausche. This certainly complicates things just a little bit. Elon Musk, Tesla shares today hit a new 52-week low. These are lows that we have not seen for a couple of years at this point, as there is this notion that Elon Musk will continue to sell the stock as a Twitter ATM, so to speak, in order to plug
despite vowing over and over again that he's not selling stock again,
well, that's
which is what he continues to do.
But here we are with the notion of a possible review, Karen.
Well, the irony of a CFIUS review or something that would say, nope, you can't own it. That I find, I don't know. I find that amusing in some way, the irony of, and then what would have to do? He'd have to sell it.
And to whom?
To whom and for how much?
Because there wasn't anybody else in line.
And what happens to Tesla's stock price during that time?
Right.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that will happen. I mean, maybe he could step away and not have somebody else, have a CEO run it.
Right.
That's a fix, maybe.
All right.